In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Columbia College Vancouver. We'll go step by step through this process to ensure you have everything you need to successfully submit your application. So let's dive right in. First, it's crucial to be aware of the application deadlines. Columbia College offers multiple intake periods each year, which means you'll need to mark your calendar to avoid missing out. For example, if you're aiming for the winter 2026 semester, make sure your application is submitted by November 14th, 2025. Applying early not only increases your chances of securing a spot, but also allows ample time for visa processing. It's also important to be mindful of payment deadlines, as these vary by semester. For instance, the payment deadline for the summer 2025 semester is March 28, 2025, while the deadline for the winter 2026 semester is November 24th, 2025. The next step is to complete your application online. Columbia College has made this process incredibly accessible by hosting it entirely online, allowing you to apply from anywhere in the world. Be sure to fill out the application form accurately to prevent any delays. Also, prepare all required documents in advance to streamline the submission process. Once you've filled out your application form, you'll need to pay a non-refundable application fee of $200 CAD. This can be done securely through Flywire. After your payment is confirmed, make sure to upload all essential documents. These include your most recent academic transcripts, a graduation certificate if applicable, a copy of your passport, and any English proficiency test results such as IELTS or TOEFL. Remember, only original or notarized copies are accepted unless you're applying through an authorized representative. After submitting, please allow up to 2 weeks for processing. Following that, after you receive your offer of admission, it's time to pay your tuition deposit to confirm your enrollment. If you're an international student, the deposit is $14,900 CADEC. This covers 24 credits over 2 semesters, initial medical insurance, and student activity fees. For local transfer students, the deposit is $7,355 CAD, which is applicable for 12 credits and student activity fees for 1 semester. Once the tuition deposit is received, you will get your official letter of acceptance, which is crucial for applying for a study permit. Finally, with your official letter of acceptance in hand, it's time to apply for your Canadian study permit. You'll need to visit the nearest Canadian High Commission, embassy, or consulate to begin your visa process. Keep in mind that processing times can vary, so it's best to apply as soon as possible. And there you have it. Following these steps will guide you through the application process to Columbia College Vancouver. Make sure to stay on top of deadlines and prepare your documents early so you can focus on the exciting opportunity that lies ahead. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application.